Hi everyone, my name is Tinson and today I will be unboxing the Pearl Boba Tea mini fridge for you guys. Now, I have been a fan of Smoko products for more than a year. I've purchased their hand warmers and their dumpling lamps and their dumpling keychains, and I'm just so excited to show you guys what the hype is about. And yeah, let's do it. Oh, this is big. This is the package that it came in. Mini fridge. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, it's so cute! Okay, let's get this box out of the way. Wow, guys. Oh, what a cute fridge. What a cute box. This is like the perfect gift to yourself or to your friends. Keep your favorites chilled. I am so excited. It says the package includes AC/DC cables, removable shelves. Yeah, let's open this. Ooh. We are not going to throw this box. We're gonna gently leave it there. This is even cuter. Oh, it even has handles. Okay, portability. Wow, guys. Okay. Wow. Oh, so beautiful. Ooh. Check that out. Okay. Here's some directions, and oh, there's also a car charger. Cool. And let's see if I'll put this here. Ooh, and then I guess for this, you put it on the side of the door. I should read the directions actually, but okay. Oh, it looks kind of like that. Okay, hold up. This. But this, yeah, okay. Ooh, okay, let's get it. Ta-da! Let's add some drinks, guys. Okay, I've put my strawberry carbonated drinks in them, and oh, they fit perfectly, guys. I also do not have to put those shelves on, and I can just insert these drinks in here. Oops, I'll just keep 3 in there. Beautiful. Ah, look how happy it is. I also heard that you can use the front or maybe the whole entire fridge as a dry erase board, so let's test that out. I will scream if this does not come off. Okay, here's the big reveal. Let's see, hope it works. Ooh, Yes, it works, guys. Oh, I'm so happy it works. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Oh, what a beauty. And here it is. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video and check it out. Hopefully you'll get yours today.